everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and I am doing a Wantable unboxing today. And this is their active edit is what they call it. So it's all athleisure and workout clothes. I'm really enjoying getting this box actually. This is my favorite box right now. I have loved most everything I get in it. So I'm really looking forward to what I get this time. It seems small, but they send a ton of stuff in here. So let's get in there and see what I got. If you haven't tried Wantable yet, if you look down below in the description, you'll see my referral code and just give it a try. It has been a really cool subscription, and if you're anything like me, I need more workout clothes to encourage me to work out. Okay, here is my bundle. It's all dark stuff. So I'm not a bright clothes person when I work out. So most everything I always get is dark. So I wouldn't judge it based on that. I don't like a lot of patterns and bright colors. I want things that are just dark and focus on what I'm trying to do. So if you like bright things, definitely let them know, and I'm sure they'll include it. They have lots of bright and fun stuff and patterns in their like little feed, closed feed that you can go through and request things. Let's see what's in here. Okay, return envelope and the prices. And I've showed this before, but I love that they put little pictures in here of what it is that you got next to the description and the pricing, which I'm not going to look at that yet. Oh, okay, what is this? It's a little belt. It is a large pocket. It's like a mini fanny pack for like running and exercising. It looks tiny, but expands to fit like your phone and your keys and stuff in, which is really, really cool because I have had a problem with, you go for a run at a trail and you need to carry your phone or your keys or something. I've actually had my purse stolen, my car window broken at the trailhead, and had my purse stolen. I didn't have like on the seat or anything. I had it under the seat. Didn't matter. They knew and took it. This was years ago, but ever since I'm really careful, and this is a perfect thing. I'd never seen such a thing before. So I'll try it on. I don't think it needs to fit in particular. Probably depends on the price, because usually I just put it in a pocket. Okay, what else? Ooh, okay, I said I don't do bright things. These are pretty bright for me and wild, but they're really cute too. So we'll see how they fit. We'll see the price. V Active is what it's called. Maybe I'll have to branch out and get something a little more fun. Try it on. Ooh, okay. These are kind of amazing. Okay, they are just leggings, but they have like a shiny tone-on-tone animal print. So this is kind of a fun way to add fun style into my muted color palette. So that's really fun. I don't know how long they are. We'll try them on and take a look and see how they fit. All right. So this is just a black tank top. It's a V-neck with like a little tie at the bottom. So we'll try that out. I don't usually like things that are very short, but we'll try it on and see how it looks. Next is, oh my gosh, this is so soft. Okay, it's just a sweatshirt. It's just like a stretchy knit. It's actually kind of more sweater material. It's a knit little long sleeve shirt, and oh my gosh, it is so soft and lovely. Okay, we'll try that on. All right, and what is this? Oh, okay, it's a jacket. So let's see. Oh, it's just a full zip jacket for warming up or going to the gym or whatever. It's got little thumb holes. I always love jackets. I think I've at least gotten one jacket similar to this out of my box before, and I've worn it a ton and liked it. That's fun. Super simple, with a hood, which is nice too. Okay, well, I'll try that on. I'm looking forward to seeing how everything fits. I will be right back with the first outfit. Okay, I try to be brave with the pants, but I just don't like them. I don't think they do anything for me. I think looking at the pattern, it's cute. And if it's your style, great. But here's my problem with patterns in leggings, is that the pattern is tighter at the bottom, and then when it gets into the thigh or rear end area, it starts to get a little looser pattern, and so it's like all stretched and distorted. I also feel like when you move around, it's like somebody's gonna have like a hallucination looking at all the patterns and all the bits moving. So I'm probably just being silly, but yeah, I don't really like them. I mean, they fit great, they're high-waisted, I like the length of them. They feel really high quality. I just don't like the pattern. I tried. My daughter, I showed her the outfit. She's like, oh, I like the shirt. And I do. It is so soft and lovely and comfortable, and you could just put it on with anything, and it's really fun and cute and lovely. So we'll just have to check the price and see if it's worth it. All right, let me try on the next outfit. Okay, I got a lot going on here. Hold on, here it comes. Okay, so the jacket, let's start with that. I think it's cute. I like the armholes. I like how stretchy it is. If you need a good jacket, I mean, this is a great kind of workout jacket. One, I already have something that I think I got in my last box or maybe the previous that I really like. The thing I don't like about this jacket is the pockets don't have zippers. And if I need an exercise jacket, I am going to want to put things in it and zip it up. Whether I'm leaving it at the gym, you know, in a locker, or I'm running, or whatever I'm doing, I'm usually going to want to put, if I'm being active, I'm going to want to put it in my pocket and zip them up. They're really big, deep pockets, so if you're just like going for a walk or something, it's going to be perfect. So it's a good jacket. It's just not perfect for what I need it for. Okay, so here it comes. Watch out. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you, just because it's a little confusing, is the belt. My husband's like, does that come with a belt? I was like, it is. It's kind of like a workout fanny pack. And my daughter's like, my phone isn't gonna fit in there. And we tried it, and she has a really big phone, and it fit. And so it does work, and it lays your phone flush against you, and it doesn't move around because it's really stretchy. It just sucks to you. So if that's something like, if I don't have zipped pockets, for example, this is kind of perfect. I might just need to get this just for fun. Every once in a while I need to put my phone in something I don't have pockets, and my son has a hamburger backpack, or sorry, a hamburger fanny pack that I use, and I really kind of like the hamburger fanny pack. I think it's a look, but this is great for working out because the fanny pack isn't stretchy, it kind of moves around. This is for working out. I wonder what the price is for this. That might matter on that one. Okay, so the shirt. Oh yeah, did you see a little of that? Nobody sees that. So it has a little tie, it's a little V-neck. I had to look at the price. I was like, is this just too small? Nope, this is the style. And you could definitely get it bigger. I definitely could, but I think it's a style. My husband loved this shirt. He loved this shirt, and I was like, oh yeah, because it shows a little of this. But he's like, untie it, it's still cute. He liked the V-neck in it. I don't know if it's me, but it's cool because things are so high-waisted now that you could do like a little triangle of skin and have it be okay because things are so high-waisted. Remember back in the day, the low-waist stuff, there'd be like a lot of skin happening here. Not anymore. It's all just like little peekaboo there. So it's cute. Again, I don't know if it's me. I can't imagine like at Orange Theory, like pumping some iron. A little knot there. I don't know. I have to think about it. Okay, so that's the tank. All right, so the pants, I don't know if you can tell in the picture or in the video, but I will show you up close after when we're looking at prices. It is tone-on-tone shiny animal print, but it's not like a animal. It's like zebra and cheetah, and it's like all different kind of animal prints, which is kind of fun. If that's your style, like it's really fun. I don't know, I could probably rock these. Like I could go with my little t-shirt on and be like, pump some iron, my animal print. Like these are really fun, and they're full length, and so they're perfect kind of for Seattle. So tell me what you think on this whole thing. Tell me it all. It's pretty funny. All right, I think a lot of it is gonna come down to prices because I did like a lot of this stuff. I don't know if it's all me, but the prices might change my mind. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, it's time to look at prices. I am so excited for the weekend. I'm recording this on Thursday night. We're going away for the weekend, and we are going to our brewery. We just made these fun shirts for the 4th of July. Aren't they so cute? It wasn't me who designed them. I just get to wear them, all the fun swag. It's also my birthday on the 4th of July. Gonna be 44, old lady. And so we're really looking forward to a 3-day weekend and having a lovely 4th of July. I hope you all stay safe. Okay, prices. So one thing I just noticed when I opened up the prices is that they had a tank top in here in the price list that I did not actually get. So it's called a dip tie tank. And so I'll have to send them a note that I didn't actually get that one in. It does look adorable, but it looks like they made a mistake. It didn't come in the box. I wonder how that impacts things. Anyway, okay, so let's look at what I did get. The black leggings with the animal print as promised. Here's the print on them. I mean, it's really fun and they were cute and I think they were a good fit and really high quality, you could tell. And these are 88. I think it's a little high. It's called Strut-This. 88 seems, I mean, what do? You play that at Lulu or Athleta, but seems a little high. I don't know. Okay, the V-Active leggings, these are also 88, and these just weren't me. They were really fun. I really wanted to like them. They're just not me. Okay, the belt. Man, should I get this belt? So funny and fun. I mean, I would use this legit. Okay, the pocket belt is $22.99. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's really fun and funny. I've never seen such a thing. Okay, the jacket. The jacket is a little steep. It's $94, the Gottex Studio Active Jacket. I think 94 is a lot for this. Is that, you tell me what you think. Okay, and then the cozy interval long sleeve Raglan sweatshirt is $52. Oh, this is so soft and lovely. I did really like this a lot. Like, you know I'm living in my athleisure at the moment. So, okay, and the last is the knotted tank. Okay, tell me what you guys think about this one because my husband really liked it. And actually my daughter really liked it too. And it is $38. Of course, it's like the cheapest thing besides the belt. What do you think about that? It's by Onzie. I don't know what it is. So the total for the whole box is $424.99. That is steep, but that included the other shirt, the tank I didn't get. If I buy 5 things, you take away $85. My styling fee is $22, and I have a $50 credit. Thank you for the people who bought stuff and used my referral code. You're amazing. The total for everything, if I got everything, would be $296.99. I didn't love everything. I'll have to decide what I'm gonna get, but I'd love to hear your comments below. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to know whenever I post new videos. All right, have a safe 4th of July. Bye.